Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use RSI indicator to take a trade. RSI is relative strength indicator. It is a very easy to use indicator, and I always use this indicator with other indicators to make sure that I'm taking a right trade. So this is RSI. Let me show you. Yeah, this is RSI. It is on the default setting. The settings are let me show you the settings. The settings are 70, 50 and 30. So I'll go back. So settings are so how to go in settings, let me just show you as that as well. So this is the settings. If you go in settings, make sure your settings are 70, 50 and 30. Yeah, okay. So what is 70, 50 and 30? So this top line, just a second. So this top line is 70 and this bottom line is 30 and this middle line that is going on is here is 50. So how to use it? So when you see the lines over here has crossed above 70, that means it has been overbought. So when anything is overbought, it usually tend to come down. So what happened over here? It was overbought over here, and you can see over here it was overbought over here and it came down. Yeah, so let's see some other examples. So let's have a look. So over here again, if we see this, so over here it shows it has gone up and this is overbought. So it was overbought over here, and then once it was overbought, people started selling and it went down, right? So let's see the reverse example. So over here, let's have a look over here. So you can see this is over here. It is all below the 30 line. So that means it has been oversold. So then from here, it will go up. So from here, it has gone up. Yeah. So let's see some more example at the back. Let's go at the back and let's see. So over here, anything that is very big wicks, yeah, this is a good one. So if you see this one, it is over here is oversold, and over here you can see it is this part of the trade and then it went up. So this is a very good indicator, but it is, you can't use this RSI indicator just by itself, because sometimes it can give you a false indications as well. So always make sure you use it with different indicator, but it is a very useful indicator. And I usually use it with moving averages, for EMA, MACD. So I use a few of the other indicators as well, and you can get some confirmation from RSI as well. So hope this help. If you have any question, comment below. I have made another video on moving averages as well in my channel, so have a look to that as well. I use that indicator as well to get the confirmation to get a right entry and right exit of the trade. So yeah, that's it. Hope it helps. If you have any question, just comment below and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much. Bye for now.